Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast. Really excited to show you another one of our heroes in this month's drop. This is a 1970 Holden HG GTS Monaro. This car is all redone to its original style presentation. It's in one of my favourite colour schemes on a HG, Indy Orange with black trims. I just think that Indy Orange just looks perfect with the blackouts on this car. Love the original style hubcaps with the red stripes. The car was fully restored in 2005. It's a factory 308 4-speed car. It's got the big tank and tramp rods. Really cool collector quality car, guys. Head over to our website for all the info. It's www.782motors.com.au.